Hello YouTubers, this is a very short video to describe where the fan circuit breaker is located on a 2014 Polaris Sportsman 570. I have had a problem with my overheat light coming on, and I don't appear to hear the fan ever turning on, and the first thing I wanted to check was the circuit breaker. The problem is that no one seems to know where it's located. Well, I'm going to show you where it's located, and then you can check yours if you're having a similar problem. Very simply, just open the front cover, and on this particular model, the location is right over here on the front left of the machine, and there are two terminals going to it. This one has a red-white wire. This one has a red wire. This red wire goes directly to the battery, plus 12 volt sign. The red-white wire goes to the fuse box and the fan circuit relay. How do you test this? Cut the zip tie, take off the terminal with the red-white wire, and if you have 12 volts on this terminal on the circuit breaker, your circuit breaker is good. I will leave the part number for the Polaris circuit breaker in the description. And that really is it. I am not going to detail how to check for the circuit overheating, and I am going to let the dealer do that, but I thought this would be a simple, easy check without having to take a whole bunch apart on the machine. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.